Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hard rest transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you wanted to edit, if you wanna add hard rest transition effect, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can swipe until you can see a mouse. You just click on the mouse, click on it, and after this you can swipe until you can see hard rest effect. This is the hard rest transition effect, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can set the duration for the transition like this. And after this, you can click on apply to all for add the transition to all videos. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add hard rest transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.